Did you know thousands of photographers are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars every day just by selling their photos online? In fact, every month millions of photos are bought online, which is used for websites, magazines, blogs, print ads, marketing materials and many more. With our help we can sell your photos to millions of potential buyers. Imagine spending your time taking photographs of the things you love in life, like flowers, nature, animals, family, sports or anything you want. And the whole time you get to smile because you know, your income is streaming in 24 hours a day and 365 days a year. By joining us now, you would be able to instantly sell your photos to thousands of potential buyers that need them for websites, catalogs, books, magazines, ads, or a variety of other uses. There is no limit to how much you can earn. Your hobby can be your instant career. You don't have to be a professional photographer for this job. All you need is a camera, the drive to take beautiful photos, then click your way to earning money. Online photography jobs benefits. No boss, no noisy alarm clocks and definitely no schedules. You make your own decisions. There are no unrealistic deadlines and nobody telling you how much to work. You get to decide how much you work, part-time, full-time or overtime. Earn up to $500 to $5,000 every month, making a better than average income doing what you want and when you want. Get out of the rat race today. You get to decide because you have the freedom of working for yourself. If you want to enjoy the good life, making money in the comfort of your own home with just your camera and laptop, then this is for you. $8 million is the amount our happy members have been paid to date. And now it is your turn to get paid to take photos. Click the link in the description and find out more.